I'll do a walk around of the skid steer if one of my subscribers wanted to see. Here's the outside look. This is a L425. Back here is the business end with a four-cylinder Wisconsin engine with 30 horsepower, 1-barrel carburetor. Guy I bought it from told me if I needed to buy a distributor or whatever, 1950s, was it Jeep or Buick is the same. There's my battery. I know there's a little panel here I can see my battery. Well, that makes it easier. And it gets the job done. This is one of many hydraulic filters. Actually one of two. Come look at this side of it. The engine does burn oil, but I just watch that oil and make sure it don't run out on it. I ran over my oil bucket. I think it has a 50-inch bucket, or it might be a 60-inch bucket. It's pretty big. I don't know, it might be 50-inch. But we'll start it up and listen to it run a little bit. Climb in it like a monkey. This pedal controls the lateral movement of the bucket going up and down, and this one controls the tilt of the bucket. I love the safety chart. Do not do that. Or that. That's bad. Where's seatbelt? My seatbelt's kind of broken. It has emergency brake. I don't know if it works, but it's neat. Don't put your arm in front of the arm either. What you do is you flip this switch to get it to the start position. Then you push this button. Oops. I think my battery's not connected right. Before I close it up, I wanted to show you the hydraulics. That's one lever. So they do not leak, surprisingly. But anyway, I got the terminals on there right. Put the seat back in place. I'm really amazed how good this seat is. Gosh, no rips. So, you know, this could be a 30-year-old machine. But let's turn around. There we go. Let's choke it. We're on half throttle. One more throttle. Hush. Come on. What was that? And that's how it works, basically, and that's a walk around. As you can see, I actually got maybe 2-3 inches of dirt up each scrape. Probably because it's wet, we had rain, otherwise we couldn't do that. But I got a nice little pile of dirt right here. It's a good machine. I like it. I'm going to get a tooth bucket. That's what I want to do. Actually, I'm going to think about welding an angle iron to the bucket and see how that does. They have the weld-on teeth, but they're expensive. They're $16 a pair, and I'm probably going to need, what, 7 of them? So, but I'm playing around with making attachments. I got some ideas for a backhoe attachment, stuff like that. But it's a good machine.